Hi guys, how are you doing? And let me show you some breathwork exercises now. Be sure to try this out with gentleness first. Watch out because these are so powerful you can even pass out. And I actually personally start to shake sometimes and I go a little bit, I kind of, like my eyes black out. Like I kind of black out if I do them too strong, but they release a lot of hormones in your body, which then again I think they even promote these hormones promote the growth of proteins. So this is from Eastern style Qigong, which means energy practice. It's a Chinese internal martial art, and some of those guys, they are really they they are like kind of like longevity. I'm saying longevity, it means they live really old and they have young bodies. Even in their 60s and 70s they look really young, and even the 80-year-olds Qigong masters, those guys and ladies, they are some of the healthiest people because they actually drink green tea, which is promoting the growth of stomach bacteria. So I really enjoy green tea as well, and olive oil is another one that promotes these stomach bacteria that keep you very, very healthy, and they keep your metabolism very strong. So you don't have any ailments that weigh down you in your daily life. So the breathwork exercises, I like to kind of breathe into my lower back first, open up my neck and my shoulders a little bit, just do a little bit of a relaxation routine first. And then you kind of want to take some deep breaths, trying to make the breath go really low. In your own rhythm, do the breathing. I've been doing these for years now, so I really sometimes I'm managing to get a release of those hormones, and you can literally feel it when those hormones are released. You feel so energetic, and I think it also releases endorphins, so you tend to feel really good when you are really nailing your practice. So I do it like this, like also we want to keep our back, the lower back and the neck and the back, we want to kind of have it so the joints in the back are flexible, so they keep you also from not expending too much energy when you are just living your life. So try to massage your lower back a little bit. I sit a lot because I work in my computer sometimes for very long hours. I sit in there for 6 hours every day, sometimes 4 hours every day for like a year straight. Sometimes I do that, so it's really good to kind of have your lower back. And in yogic cultures they actually have a saying that is your age is not your number of age, it's the flexibility of your lower back and your back. These kind of joints here. You can also twist, use the twisting motion, and I'm going to actually show you some Qigong body practice now, and just follow along with this. And you don't have to think about anything, you can just focus on the practice and kind of gently let yourself go into the flow state. So this is the Zen swing is what this exercise is called, and it looks like this. So you're just swaying your hands a little bit of a bend on your knees, plant yourself on the ground so you can also feel the ground with your feet, and then just do the Zen swing. Do it for 2 minutes. Let's go for 2 minutes. We can also tap ourselves kind of here in your, you have your internal very important, like your stomach here, and this is the thing. I don't recall it in English, but you know what I'm saying. You can really feel the blood starting to flow, and the blood is starting to flow, and actually I think they even associated great blood flow these Chinese sages, they associate great blood flow with, I think, success and earnings. I think I'm not sure, like, if I'm correct, if a Chinese sage actually has said it, but if you have a strong blood stream, which these qigong tai chi warm up exercises do, you tend to earn quite a bit of money. That might be true. I might be wrong, but I might be correct too. So I'm gonna err on the side of, yeah, it makes me earn more when I'm having a nice bloodstream. So you start to feel this when you are warming up your body, that your blood is starting to flow. Your mind becomes more sharp and focused. Focus on your tongue and put it up. You have 2 points in your mouth. In yoga, they talk about 2 points in your mouth. You have the heart, palate, in your mouth. You can feel it, find it, the heart on the top, and in the front of it, you have the soft spot. So you create like an energetic connection in your body. So just keep your tongue really like gently and just slightly on top. And let's now find the point that actors are taught about in art school, which is the center of your kind of character. It's the center of your character also. It's in your physical body. It's right, like 2 points, 2 fingers below your navel. So you take your fingers like this, you put them on your navel. It's right there, and you just keep like a slight focus there. I can give you a popular cultural example of this, which is Johnny Depp as Captain Jack Sparrow. Because Captain Jack Sparrow, he doesn't walk with his center like this. He kind of walks like this, you know. His center is a little bit swaying, you know. His center is swaying, so Captain Jack is so Captain Jack, as Johnny Depp portrays him. He's like this because his center is moving. So he seems like this fluid character. Breathe through your nostrils. This is not meant to be too challenging. So that's one of the basic exercises, is the Zen swing. I will show it again. It's so you just stand up, a little bit of bend on the knee, and you just swing your hands So you get a twist in your stomach. So your organs wake up. So you wake up your organs. So your whole body is functioning in a holistic kind of a unity. Your organs wake up, your muscles are loose and powerful. Your breath is flowing freely, your bloodstream is working. Because your body is like this. It's a united organism, the body, so it's not, no part of the body is holding back the whole. So that's, I think, one of the principles of Tai Chi. That's what they kind of talk about and what I've learned so far. I've been practicing for a few years these types. When I was a kid, I was kind of jumping on the trampoline and doing gymnastics and also played some team sports, but now these days I do my sports pretty much solo. I don't go into any clubs or anything like that. Okay, so the Zen swing, and then we got the tapping of the internal muscles. The shoulders relaxed. What else? I think that's it for today. And I will see you another time. And if you want to say hi to the tree, then you can. And thank you so much for watching, and try this out just one time, 2 times. Gonna do them every day. Try it for 30 days, doing the Zen swing for 5 minutes or so. And if you get some nice results with it, be sure to leave me a comment if you like, and I will see you the next time, guys.